Welcome to RescueGroups.org. Today we will be discussing how to add, remove, or downgrade services using the RescueGroups.org website. Before we start, let's take a minute to discuss roles and permissions. Any person in your organization who is assigned at least the base level volunteer role will be able to view what services your organization has with RescueGroups.org. However, changing your service or updating contact information must be done by a site admin. When your organization's account was created, the person who was given full administrative permissions was given the role site admin. That person can then grant permission and assign roles to other volunteers, including more site admins. If needed, you can find more information on roles by referencing our user guide. Let's move on to our topic, adding and removing services. Here at RescueGroups.org, we pride ourselves on offering a variety of different options for rescue organizations. We offer 3 major levels of service: our free pet adoption portal, and our paid data management and website services. We also offer online form service, email marketing service, voicemail service, fax to email service, domain name service, email services, and website hosting. This means that organizations have a lot of choices, and those choices may change as an organization's needs change. Let's talk about how you can add or remove these services. First, you have to find your services. Do this by logging in at RescueGroups.org and then clicking the Services tab. This opens up a menu of options. From there, choose Account Administration. This will lead you to the Account Administration page. Let's start with how to upgrade a service. For example, if you wanted to go from our pet adoption portal to our website service. From this Account Administration page, click the Upgrade Service to go to our Service Upgrade page. Once on the Service Upgrade page, you can see links to information on any requirements, as well as links about our various services if you need more information. You can also see services you've already signed up for. Note that those services have a green check beside them. My organization, in this example, has the website service, which includes the data management service and pet adoption portal, as you can see from the 3 green checks. Finally, you can see services that may be added. Those are indicated by blue links. For example, I could register for domain names, email services, voicemail, and so on. In this example, I select email hosting by clicking the blue underlined link. This takes us to the Add Services page, in this case for email hosting. Depending on what you are adding, the Add page may look slightly different. However, we generally give you the options you have and their prices. You then select Order Now with the green shopping cart icon. From there, follow the prompts and add the service. Now we have discussed adding services, but let's go back and talk about canceling and removing services. Once again, let's go to the Services tab and then Account Administration. This time we are canceling services, so you want to pick the Your Services link. This takes us to a summary of all of your organization's products and services. Once on the Products and Services screen, you'll see a list of all of your active and possibly old accounts. What you really want to be on the lookout for is anything with an active status. In this example, you can see I have 2 active services. However, for this example, let's say I want to cancel my Nichols website hosting service, the first active one. I click on the green active button beside Nichols website hosting. This takes us to a Manage Products screen. Here I can select the Request Cancellation to remove the service from my account. To be clear, clicking the Request Cancellation immediately sends a cancellation request. In most cases, the service will be immediately canceled and removed from your account. In some cases, it will be terminated upon its next renewal date. Unpaid invoices will be canceled. Note that you cannot cancel a service that is already past due with an invoice. Please contact support for assistance in this case. If you would simply like to downgrade from one of our services to a different one, you can also do this from the Manage Product screen. Once you've opened up your product, you will see an Upgrade Downgrade link to the left. Click that link to bring up your upgrade and downgrade choices. In this example, we have the website service, so we can downgrade to the Data Management Service or Pet Adoption Portal here. Simply click the blue button titled Choose Product next to the product you are downgrading to. Note that you cannot downgrade to a service if an invoice has already been issued. Please contact support to request a downgrade in this case. This concludes our overview for how to add, remove, and downgrade services. Thank you for choosing RescueGroups.org. As always, RescueGroups.org is here for you. Feel free to contact support if you need help adding or removing RescueGroups.org services.